Hydro, we believe to be a leader by providing in-house personalized custom design, manufacturing, and installation. Our mission is to contribute to a better water management in order to offer clean water, clean energy to our society and future generations. The Island Falls project was presenting many challenges. That's probably why we are the only supplier to present a proposal on this project. The main challenges were to design a fully electric log lifter that can operate with and without external power in very extreme winter conditions. The other one was to fit that log lifter on rails, guides, and a concrete deck built in the 30s, and be able to operate with stop logs made of either wood, steel, or concrete. And the toughest one was the installation. The installation was a project by itself. It was an inaccessible location, so the only way to get there was by helicopter. So what it means is that we had to test the machine in our shop. After that, we had to dismantle it in pieces up to 10,000 pounds, bring them to shore, and then fly it by helicopter onto the dam, and then reassemble everything on the deck and rebuilt it completely there. Also, as expected, our team had to face strong winds, very cold weather, harsh environment, freezing, and they managed to do it. It was a great experience for us, and I'm very proud of the teamwork that was required to achieve all these challenges.